2 weeks ago I made a video about my latest project, a Lamborghini Aventador 1/8 scale supercar. So here is part 2. I connected the fake engine directly to the wheels because it was easier and way more efficient. I also placed the suspension behind the engine instead of above it, which made it lower and more accurate to the real car. It has 4-wheel drive and also 4-wheel steering, but I tell you more about that later. Now I'm going to remove the fake engine to show you more about the gearbox. It has a V12 fake engine and an 8-speed gearbox. I'm going to make it RC with 2 Mindstorms large motors and a small Mindstorms motor for steering. For the gearbox I need the orange gear selector and the clutch gears from the Yamaha motorcycle from last year. So I'm going to place my order after finishing up this video. It has an 8-speed gearbox, but actually it is a 2-speed gearbox and a 4-speed gearbox combined. You can shift gears by turning the black gear. It also has a 90-degree stepper. On the other side there is a small lift arm to shift between the 2 gears, and it also has a neutral. Here's the underside of the car. I used a lot of parts from the last order to reinforce the chassis because it was really wobbly before. It has independent suspension on all wheels. But the front suspension is a bit too soft, so I might order more shock absorbers. As you can see, it has 4-wheel steering, but it has a little problem because the front and rear wheels are connected one-on-one, as you can see in this video. But when it is on the ground, the rear wheels rotate a lot less than the front wheels because of the gears and the axles. As you can see, the rear wheels are not completely free turning while they are still connected. This is what it looks like from the underside, and as you can see, there is a little bit of delay. When the front wheels turn, the rear wheels don't immediately also turn. So that is a problem I still have to fix. It also has new scissor doors. By sliding this speed, it opens upwards. The mechanism is more compact than the last one because I wanted to use the last one, but there wasn't any space left because of the gearbox. Also, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram.